Manx Grand Prix 2020. Unfortunately it's not going ahead, but the Manx Grand Prix celebrations has been put in by Jim Hunter for us to ride in memory of somebody and also make a donation to raise a few bob for good charities. So that's exactly what I'll be doing today. I'm going to be doing my 37.75 mile laps. I'm going to do it in memory of my uncle Len Lewis, who was a bit of a local legend in our village in North Wales. I'm going to be riding what was his practice loop that he used to ride in 1957 and 1958 before he came over to the island. So I'll be doing 5 laps of that and chalking up my 37.75 miles. For the Manx Grand Prix in 1957, he went over as a newcomer and he qualified in race time to race in the senior race, and then he returned again in 1958 to ride in the seniors again. So Len was on a matchless 500. I haven't got a matchless, but I do have a 500. I'll be on the Evil CB 500. So I'm riding that purely for CC comparison. Not sure what Len would make of it, but I'm off now. Catch you later. Manx Grand Prix celebrations, doing 37.75 miles. I'm doing it, as I've said, in memory of Len Lewis, my uncle, and it's quite ironic really that on lap 5 of his practice loop from Bulthgwyn to Reed Talog to Llandegla and back to Bulthgwyn, at 37.75 miles exactly, I've come to the crossroads in Llandegla, which has got quite a story about Len's practice laps. He used to race through here 6 o'clock in the morning, practicing before the 1957 Manx Grand Prix on his matchless, and it was on one of his practice laps coming through here about 6 o'clock in the morning, and the Llandegla policeman was standing in the middle of the road. So Len was coming along here like the clappers, and there was a policeman in his pyjamas with just his helmet on, waving a torch and a stick to slow Len down. So Len pulled up to a halt on the crossroads, and the Llandegla policeman said, I've had enough of you. He said, I've had a bloody enough of you coming through this village, he said, like the clappers every morning. He said, and I'm going to put a stop to you. So he got his walking stick and he was thrusting it up Len's exhaust pipe. He said, this will put a bloody stop to you. But obviously with it being a racing pipe, it was a straight pipe. Anyway, Len left, and he's told us that story often, and I said to Len, I said, did that put a stop to your practice laps? And he said, no, he said, not really. He said, I went and did another lap, and that was Len, a legend, local legend, and we all loved him. So anyway, this has been brilliant, I've really enjoyed the morning. That's my laps, thanks very much.